Hello friends, in my last video we have discussed gradient of a scalar point function. In this video we are going to discuss divergence of vector point function as well as curl. So here we should note that gradient is associated with scalar function and divergence is associated with vector function. The divergence of a vector point function f is denoted by divergence of f and is defined as, for that I will consider a vector f. So I will take vector f as f1 into I plus f2 into j plus f3 into k. Then divergence of f equal to del. Del, it is an operator. Del dot f, which is equal to, first I will write here the definition of del, that is I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into vector f. So this is the dot product of two vector. So I will multiply this one. So it becomes divergence of f equal to dou f1 upon dou x plus dou f2 upon dou y plus dou f3 upon dou z. We should note that I dot I equal to 1, j dot j equal to 1, and if I take I dot k equal to 0. So now we will define curl. Curl is defined as curl of f bar is equal to del cross f. So I will simplify this one. Curl of f bar equal to del cross f bar. First I will write the definition of del here, operator del cross into vector. So we know that the cross product of two vector is given by determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and here vector is what? f1, f2 and f3. So after simplifying this one, we will get the curl of a vector. So here we should remember, if I take divergence of del dot vector, it is divergence, and del cross vector, it is curl. Also del dot scalar is a gradient. Now we'll take one simple example on this. Find the divergence and curl of a vector v, which is defined as xyz into I plus 3x square y into j plus xz square minus y square z into k at the point 2 minus 1 1. So solution, first we will write the given vector, first we will find divergence. So that is del dot v. So I will write the definition of del into vector v. So I will take the dot product of two vectors. So I will get this one as dou by dou x of xyz plus dou by dou y of 3x square y plus dou by dou z of xz square minus y square z. So I will differentiate this one with respect to x, I will get yz. I will differentiate this one with respect to y, I will get 3x square, and I will differentiate this one with respect to z, I will get 2xz minus y square. So our question is, we have to find the divergence at the point 2 minus 1 1. So that is, here I will put x equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 1. So I will get divergence of vector v equal to 14. So now I will find curl of v, that is del cross v. Again I will write the definition of del cross vector v. So this is what the cross product of two vectors. So it is defined as determinant of, so here ijk, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. I will write in the second row coefficient of I here x y z, 3x square y and xz square minus y square z. So now I will simplify this determinant, that is I into dou by dou y of this term, that is xz square minus y square z, minus dou by dou z of 3x square y. So after simplification I will get curl of f equal to minus 2yz into I minus z square minus x xy into j plus 6xy minus xz into k. So again the question is curl at the point 2 minus 1 1. So I will put here point. After substituting the point I will get del cross f bar, that is curl of f equal to 2i minus 3j minus 14 into k. So we should remember, in case of gradient as well as curl and divergence, gradient is associated with scalar function and it results into a vector. Divergence of vector will results into a scalar function, and curl of a vector results into again a vector function. Thank you.